Greetings, fellow explorers! We're thrilled to have you join us once again on our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey as we delve deep into the wonders of Yosemite National Park in the enchanting month of October. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first time visitor, you've come to the perfect destination, as I'll be your trusted companion throughout this adventure, offering invaluable insights to ensure that your expedition to Yosemite in October becomes an incredible memory. So, without further ado, let's begin our exploration. Number 1. The best time to visit Yosemite. One of the best things about visiting in October is the ease of exploration. You'll find ample parking spaces, and there's no need to worry about navigating through throngs of people. This freedom allows you to move around the park effortlessly and discover its hidden gems at your own pace. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll by the Merced River or embarking on a hike to witness the iconic waterfalls, you'll find the park's natural beauty at your fingertips. The animals are more active as they prepare for the approaching winter, and you might spot deer, squirrels, and even the elusive bobcat. The symphony of the park's natural sounds, from the rustling leaves to the gentle flow of the streams, becomes the soundtrack of your visit, creating an ambience of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Number 2. Avoiding the crowds. Yosemite National Park transforms into a serene oasis in October, offering a tranquil escape from the typical crowds that flock to its famous spots. This unique opportunity allows you to fully immerse yourself in the park's natural beauty without the usual hustle and bustle experienced during other times of the year. The tranquility amplifies the park's natural beauty, providing you with a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level. You can relish in the soothing sounds of the park, like the rustling leaves and bubbling streams, without much interruption. So, if you're seeking a time when Yosemite is less crowded, October is the ideal window to experience this stunning wilderness at its most peaceful. It is a golden opportunity to have this breathtaking place all to yourself, far from the usual tourist hustle and bustle. Number 3. Weather in Yosemite. Daytime temperatures hovering around the balmy mid 70s Fahrenheit, creating the perfect environment for invigorating hikes and a plethora of outdoor activities. However, the mercury plummets to the chilly 30s, urging you to don those cozy layers to stay warm and comfortable. This dynamic weather scenario casts its spell over the entire park, embracing iconic locations like Yosemite Valley, Glacier Point, and Tuolumne Meadows. To ensure you make the most of your visit, it's wise to come prepared. Dressing in versatile layers is key, allowing you to adapt seamlessly to the shifting temperatures. Sturdy footwear becomes your trusty companion for exploring the diverse terrain, and having rain gear on hand is a smart move for those unexpected showers. For your accommodations, consider options with heating facilities to keep cozy during those crisp autumn nights. Number 4. Road access in October. All the roads that lead into the park are open, so you can easily get in and explore the park's attractions. One of the standout features of Yosemite is Tioga Pass Road. This road is famous for its stunning scenic beauty and also provides access to Tuolumne Grove, where you can see some of the majestic giant sequoia trees. However, there's something you should keep in mind. As November approaches, there's a chance that Tioga Pass Road might close. This means that if you're planning to visit the park later in the year, you need to plan your trip carefully and be aware of this potential road closure. The road offers breathtaking vistas of the Sierra Nevada mountains. These views are nothing short of awe-inspiring, and you'll likely want to stop and take in the scenery along the way. Number 5. Accommodation and reservations. Selecting the right place to stay is crucial for creating lasting memories. Yosemite offers various accommodation options, including upscale hotels like the Ahwahnee and Yosemite Valley Lodge, located within the park, as well as budget-friendly hotels in nearby towns such as Mariposa. Opting to visit in October can provide flexibility as last-minute reservations are often available, and major park hotels typically remain open until the end of November. To secure your preferred lodging, it's advisable to make advanced reservations. You can do this by visiting the official Yosemite National Park website or by directly contacting the accommodations you have in mind. By considering the type of lodging that suits your needs, your desired location, your planned visit date, and the booking process, you can ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay in this stunning natural wonder. Yosemite National Park warmly welcomes visitors without the need for advanced reservations, offering an excellent opportunity for spontaneous exploration. Number 7. Fall colors in Yosemite Valley. Fall in Yosemite Valley is a mesmerizing transformation that takes place each year, enchanting visitors from late September through early November. During this time, the valley undergoes a magical transition, adorning itself in the breathtaking tapestry of autumn hues. It's as if Mother Nature herself has taken out her finest brushes and painted the landscape with strokes of gold, red, and orange, all set against the backdrop of Yosemite's legendary rocky cliffs. The meadows, usually lush green in the spring and summer, and now drenched in a warm golden glow. As the days grow shorter and the temperatures drop, the deciduous trees that line the valley floor put on a show of their own. Their leaves, once vibrant green, turn fiery reds and brilliant oranges, creating a vivid contrast against the evergreen conifers that dot the landscape. The valley becomes a living canvas where every twist and turn offers a new masterpiece of colors. Number 8. Perfect month for hiking. October in Yosemite National Park offers a serene and visually stunning hiking experience as the summer crowds dwindle. With a range of trails suitable for all skill levels, hikers can enjoy temperatures in the 60s to 70s Fahrenheit, witness the vibrant fall foliage, and observe active wildlife. Remember to obtain permits for backcountry hikes and be prepared for changing weather conditions. This less crowded time of the year allows for a more tranquil and immersive exploration of Yosemite's natural wonders, making it an unforgettable adventure in a breathtaking national park. Additionally, the colorful display of fall foliage and active wildlife, including mule deer and black bears, adds a unique dimension to the hiking experience. Yosemite promises a memorable journey through one of America's most iconic national parks, with fewer crowds and stunning natural beauty to behold. Number 9. Waterfalls in October. Yosemite National Park's waterfalls, including iconic ones like Bridal Veil Fall and Yosemite Falls, exhibit reduced flows due to the earlier melting of snow and ice in the Sierra Nevada mountains. While not as thunderous as in spring, October offers a chance to appreciate the delicate beauty of cascades and the tranquility they provide. Visitors should adjust their expectations, explore waterfall viewing trails like the Mist Trail, make use of unique photography opportunities, and admire the vibrant fall foliage. Additionally, it's an opportunity to explore other aspects of the park's stunning landscape, such as granite formations and wildlife, making for a rewarding visit despite the seasonal difference in waterfall flow. Number 10. Packing tips. Experience the enchantment of waterfalls, where nature's vibrant transition blends seamlessly with the cascading wonders. Popular destinations like Yosemite National Park, Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and Niagara Falls come alive with peak flows and breathtaking fall foliage. In October, you'll encounter milder weather and fewer crowds, making it the perfect time to visit. To prepare, pack versatile layers for chilly mornings and nights, along with essential accessories like gloves, hats, and scarves, sturdy footwear, rain gear, a backpack, camping equipment if needed. A camera and navigation tools are also essential for a memorable journey. With these tips, you'll be ready to embrace the magic of October waterfalls. As we wrap up our journey, I invite you to embark on an unforgettable adventure in Yosemite National Park this October. This hidden gem of a month offers a unique blend of natural beauty and adventure, with fiery autumn colors adorning the park and the crowds diminished. Amidst crisp fall air, you'll discover breathtaking scenery, from towering cliffs to ancient sequoias. October in Yosemite has it all, so gear up, embrace the magic of fall, and happy trails, fellow adventurers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more incredible outdoor experiences.